Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to lock chats on WhatsApp. First thing is open up your WhatsApp, then go to the chat you want to lock. Let's say I want to lock this particular chat. So press down on it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and you can see the option for lock chat. Tap on lock chat. Now, if you want this chat to be locked and hidden, tap on continue, and you have to confirm by doing your security password or pattern or fingerprint and tap on continue. For added security or privacy, the chat will also be locked on your other linked devices. Tap on OK. It's as simple as that. Now if you want to unlock it, you see this option of lock chat here. Tap on lock chat, put in your pattern, your pin or whatever you used, fingerprint, and then you see the ones that are locked. Tap on it. You can access it today, or you just tap on the at the top right corner, tap on chat lock setting. If you want to hide the lock chat, you can also tap on hide lock chat, so it won't show the way you saw it a few minutes ago. But I want to unlock it, so I press down on it, tap on the at the top right corner and tap on unlock chat. I put in my unlock pattern, pin or fingerprint again, and that's it. No more lock chats. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to lock chats on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.